skins on nuts are cracking.
What kind of nuts are they?
I don't know. Well, I remember them, but I forgot what the name is.
It's called hazelnuts.
Okay.
And we're making here a bain-marie. So there's hot water in the pan. I'm putting a glass bowl on top. I'm going to start the action in a minute. So what is this, Sophie?
It smells so good.
What is it?
It just smells so good.
Can you read what it says on the box?
Nourish.
Not the brand. Just read the
Here.
ingredient. Yeah,
Pure cocoa butter.
that's right. Do you want to start grating? Take one piece.
Oh, this is a big piece.
Exactly. What does it smell like, Sophie?
It smells so good. It kind of smells like chocolate. Like it smells like milky white chocolate.
Okay.
It smells so good.
Good.
Could eat this in one go. It's so yummy. So now we're going to make real chocolate. We're going to put half a cup of honey, half a cup of
What's different about this honey, Sophie?
it's got beeswax in it,
Yeah.
and half a cup of cacao powder,
Yeah.
and then half a cup of coconut oil.
Exactly. And what are you missing?
Oh yeah, half a cup of pure cocoa butter,
Well done, Sophie. Do you want to get started?
which has been grated.
Exactly. And where are we going to put them?
We're going to put them
In this glass bowl.
in this glass bowl.
And
So,
what's going to happen to this everything in the glass bowl?
is it going to be cooked?
It's going to melt in the bain-marie.
Oh yeah, and so we're going to put this in here
Yeah.
until it gets full, because this is half a cup.
Yeah, that's right.
So let's carry on. Okay. Not enough yet. So we need to carry on until this thing is full.
That's correct.
There we go.
You can use your fingers, Sophie. You've washed your hands. You can push to put it down here.
Okay. It's nearly full. You can see that.
Good. I think that's a good half cup, Sophie. Do you want to empty it in there?
Yep. Now you've got to empty it into this bowl.
So why did we put it in the cup anyway if we were going to empty it in the bowl anyway?
Because to see if it was half a cup or not.
Oh, to measure it, I see.
Yeah.
Okay, what's next?
I think we put this inside this bowl.
Yeah.
So let's do it.
Are we not going to measure this one?
No, because we just like we get these.
I
Big-
thought
big
we
blocks.
said we're going to put half a cup of each.
Yes, we are.
So how...
Oh yes, Sophie. So we're going to scoop it up. Oh, we're just gonna get this off.
Yeah, okay, go for it.
Let's see, Sophie. Okay. So what we do is we get spoonfuls until it's full.
Shotray, Sophie. Do you want me to hold that for you while you scoop the coconut butter?
Okay, so you might need a partner to make this if you want to make it at home.
That's a good idea.
With your mum or your brother or sister.
Good. And 2 more of those.
Okay, 1 and 2.
Excellent.
And then we got to pour it in. Pour, 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 pour. Shake. There's some bits sticking to the thing, so we've got to get it out with a spoon.
That's good.
That's enough.
And then what's next?
And the next thing is honey.
Go for it.
So we've got to still measure it because we said we were going to measure every single thing the same. We're going to put every single thing with the same.
You don't have to break it up. You can just put it in the cup and see.
Okay.
If it's more than half a cup, it's fine because it's got wax in it. It's pure.
I think that's enough.
Maybe a tiny bit more of that.
Okay.
Of the beeswax, of the comb itself. Do you want to add a little bit of the comb itself?
Okay.
Oopsie.
Okay, here you go. Here we've got a bit more.
Excellent. Do you want to add them to the mix?
Okay.
That looks like a half a cup to me. Do you think we could add honey instead of honeycomb, Sophie?
Well, we could,
Yeah.
but I think it'd
Do
be
you wanna
better with
hold on
honeycomb.
to this for a second? No, not with your hands.
Now we put this on a damn-buddy, which now is going to melt, and we're stirring it. Because a damn-buddy is where there's a pan, and you put the bowl on top of it, and with bubbling water in the pan.
Well, what's the bubbling water doing to the mixture?
It's making it melt.
Yeah, it's heating it up and melting it.
Yeah, see? It was like lots of it, but now it's all melted. Now we're ready to add this to the cacao powder, which is basically chocolate. Well, it's a bit like chocolate. Okay.
Yeah, go for it.
Okay, now we're going to be 2 big, large tablespoons of cacao powder. That much.
Yes. 1. And 1 more?
Yeah. There's still some stuck to the spoon. Okay, now we're going to have another one. Big, strong scoop. There we go.
You're going to start stirring.
Oh, it's looking good. It's
Looking what?
good. It's looking good.
It's looking good, yeah. You want to add a pinch of salt?
Okay. We're going to do a pinch of salt.
Well, you can use your fingers.
Okay. Up and then a pinch of salt like this.
Yeah. Good. And keep stirring. It's fine. Don't worry about that. Just keep stirring. Always find it really useful to kind of push these lumps to the side. Like that. Oh, what we're going to do next, Sophie, before we pour it down into the tray and take it outside in the backyard to cool down, we could choose what we put in the chocolate. Shall we do that now?
What should we put?
So Sophie's now going to pour the chocolate mixture down in the tray, which we put some parchment paper on. Well done, Sophie. Good girl. That's perfect. You can leave some to lick later.
Okay, yummy, yum, yum.
And then it depends how thick or thin you want the chocolate to be. You can spread it out. And the more you spread it out, the thinner it is. We usually like to put it in a flat tray and then just use something heavy to break it into smaller pieces. Now we've spread it, we can start putting the bits that we're going to add to it. So what are you going to add to it, Sophie?
I think we should add some nuts.
Yeah, you don't have to add nuts if you have got allergy to nuts, but we love nuts in our house, so we're going to add some nuts to it. Quickly before it goes hard.
Okay.
Use your hands to sprinkle it.
You've got to spread it all around.
Excellent. I'm going to push it down a bit.
Yeah.
Carry on, Sophie, carry on.
Yummy, yummy chocolate bar. It's going to be a bit like a cake, a small, a thin cake, right?
Perfect. That's just a little bit. Sprinkle. More. Excellent. Now we're going to put it in the fridge or just put it in the backyard. It's really cold today. I will show you in a minute what it looks like.
Yummy.
Wow, look at that. Is it any good?
Really yummy.